Okay, here we go. We're just driving, and just to survey the damage that was done after the ice storm in Toronto. Okay, it's almost every tree in this neighborhood has been taken down. You can see here. Okay. And I'm not sure, maybe it was the species of tree that was planted in this area, but you can see both sides of the street damage, severe damage to the trees. That one's completely down. This one as well. Heading over to this side, you can see also severe damage to the tree here. This one's completely down. You look at the other side of the street, gone. Both of these are down. Back to this side again, nothing remains. Over to this side, another casualty. And here, of course, and even here. So it's going to be quite a while till things get cleaned up in this neighborhood, but hopefully by summer they'll be planting and having some kind of recovery. It's a shame, but that was the kind of result ended up here. Thank you.